Welcome to this tutorial on how to create conversation paths for bot models using the SocialBot framework. This video is a direct continuation of the previous video where a Hello World bot was created. That means we will now extend the Hello World bot from the previous video so that the bot will not only greet the user back but also expect follow-up messages. First off, we will change the bot's initial reaction to our greeting. So instead of only saying hello world, we'll also let the bot ask the user how they are doing. Now that that's done, we also need new fitting intents for a yes/no question. So for that purpose, we'll have to go to the NLU model training helper page. And here we can add simple intents, confirmation or rejection. And for each intent, we'll need 3 simple examples, as it is the required minimum for RASA. Now that we have added the intents, we simply need to submit the model. This might take a while, but we don't really need to wait here, so we can go back to the bot modeling page and continue working on our bot. Now, to let the bot know that it should expect 2 messages, we simply need to add 2 incoming message elements. And for the bot to know that it should expect these messages after the greeting, we need to interconnect the incoming message elements using the leads to arrow. So we'll connect the first incoming message, which represents the user's greeting, with the next ones. And in this case, instead of writing the intent keyword in the incoming message itself, we will need to write the name of the intent in the leads to arrow label. For that, we simply need to click on the leads to arrow, and here we can change the label. So in our case, we have confirmation, and in the other arrow, rejection. Now to specify the bot's response, we again need 2 chat response elements, which we connect with the incoming message elements using the triggers arrow. And here we simply specify some fitting answers to the yes/no question. Now we are ready to submit our bot model to see if it works correctly. Note that once the user will greet the bot will find itself in a conversation state. Meaning, after greeting the bot will find itself here in this state, so in this incoming message element, and will expect one of the 2 messages we specified. So one thing to note is that we won't be able to greet the bot at this point again. On the top side of the page, we see that the bot has been sent successfully. So we can now go to Rocket Chat and test the bot. So I'll first try greeting the bot. We see that he correctly asks me if I'm doing fine. So I'll answer yes. And we see that the bot recognized my confirmation correctly. And unfortunately, we still have a problem here. And it's the fact that if we write a message for which the bot's not ready to hear, it won't know what to do. So for example, if I start off by saying goodbye to the bot, we see that it won't answer. For that purpose, we can create a default message. So we need to go back to the bot modeling page, and here we add a new incoming message element and a chat response. We then connect these elements with triggers and generates. And at this point, we can use a special intent keyword called default. This simply lets the bot know that this will be the default message the bot will need to jump to in case it does not understand something. And now in the chat response, we can also specify our default message. So for example, something like, I didn't get that, I may not be ready to understand this. So now we can submit the bot model again. And once the bot will be available, we'll be then ready to check it out on Rocket Chat. Okay, the bot seems to be available now, so I'll simply tell the bot goodbye. And we now see that the bot correctly responded with the default message. So that was it for this video. For additional information and more detailed explanation on how to create bots, be sure to check out the wiki, the link of which you will be able to find in the description below with other useful links. Goodbye.